Yep, that pipe is still smoking a lot less now. But that's how we do it right here at AM Racing. I just took it for a quick run. This thing is a beast, guys. You gotta buy yourself one of these. If it's within your budget, do it. Killer, fully dynamic suspension. It means it's a fully automatic. While you're riding, it drops this front suspension. It'll adjust the rear. It adjusts as you're riding the bike. Okay, and you can also shift, just shift with your foot without clutching it. Okay, automatic. And the ride, you just can't beat it with this beautiful carbon fiber on it, you know?